In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a calendar in Notion from scratch, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Calendars in Notion are perfect for planning projects, managing content, tracking events, or organizing your daily tasks all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working calendar view that you can customize however you like. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials and productivity guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to the Notion page where you want to create your calendar. This can be a brand new page or an existing page inside your workspace. Once you're on the page, click anywhere and type /table, then choose a simple table option. This table will act as the base for your calendar. After creating the table, take a moment to check that it's visible and editable. Next, move your cursor to the top left corner of the table and click the small menu icon. From the menu options, select Turn into Database. This is an important step because calendars in Notion only work with databases. Once the table becomes a database, you'll see a title column by default. You won't be needing the title for this setup, so you can leave it empty or ignore it for now. Now click on Add a new property. From the property type options, choose Date. This date property is what allows Notion to display your information in a calendar format. After adding the date property, drag it to the left so it's positioned near the beginning of the database for easy access. Next, click inside the date field for the first row and choose a date. For this example, select February 10th, 2026. Then move to the next row, click the date field again and select February 11th, 2026. Repeat this process for February 12th, 2026 and February 13th, 2026. This step helps populate your database with sample dates so the calendar view works correctly. Once your dates are added, go to the top of the database and give it an appropriate name. You can name it something simple like Calendar List. This makes it easier to recognize later, especially if you use multiple databases in Notion. Now look at the top right corner of the database and click the menu icon there. From the menu, click on Layout. In the Layout options, select Calendar. Instantly, your database will transform into a calendar view using the date property you created earlier. You can now click on February 2026 to navigate through the month and see all the dates you added displayed in a clean calendar layout. Each item on the calendar is connected to your database, meaning you can click on any date to add details, notes, tasks, or events. And just like that, you've successfully created a calendar in Notion. This calendar is fully customizable, and you can add more properties, filters, or views anytime. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.